Ma Brahmacharini is the form of goddess Durga worshipped today, the second day of Navratri. In this avatar, Durga Ma embodies the life of Brahmacharya. This word stems from its root Brahman, the supreme truth. Brahmani charati iti brahmachari. The one whose mind revels in Brahman, who follows the path to reach the supreme truth, is Brahmachari. To achieve this state, the mind needs to be turned inwards. Practice of moderation and self control helps the mind calm down and look within. Brahmacharini is that aspect of Ma Durga absorbed in penance and tapas. When Himavant's daughter Parvati came of age, Devarishi Narada paid her a visit. He understood her feeling of incompleteness and advised her that it can be overcome by marrying her beloved from her previous birth, Lord Shiva. The name of her Lord rejuvenated her. She was ready to do anything to get back to her Lord. Devarishi told her that Lord Shiva withdrew from everything external once Sati perished, and that he could be attained only by endless penance and sincere service. Determined to marry Shiva in this birth as well, Parvati took up an extremely difficult regime of penance and devotion. She shunned all comforts and embraced an ascetic life, living on fruits and roots and vegetables. After many years, she dropped that also, surviving only on fallen leaves. She slept on the floor of the forest under an open sky for years to successfully complete her tapas. Finally, she gave up eating fallen leaves as well and continued her penance without food and water for many years. Her body became frail and weak, and yet that didn't break her spirit. The news of such long and hard penance reached everywhere. But Lord Shiva wanted to test her determination. When Parvati was engrossed in her meditation, Lord Shiva approached her friends who were sitting around her, disguised as a sage. He inquired about, why this young maiden was doing penance. When the friends answered that it was to become Lord Shiva's wife, the sage started to slander Shiva. Isn't he the inauspicious one who lives in the funeral ground wearing this snake as a mala and amidst skulls and ganas always? And wasn't he the one Daksha Prajapati insulted in that grand yajna? Why does such a beautiful young maiden want to marry such a person? Parvati couldn't bear to hear another insult to her lord. She shouted at her friends to leave the place instead of talking to someone evil who hates her lord. Lord Shiva smilingly revealed himself, pleased by her undying love for him, and offered himself to her. Ma Brahmacharini finally got the fruit of her tapas. The Lord of her heart married her. In this avatar, she holds a bead mala on her right hand and a kamandalu in her left hand. We invoke Ma Brahmacharini on the second day of Navratri to provide us with the strength and determination to pursue our goal till the very end without deterring from it, to have the self-control such that we live in moderation. Today, we have a soul-stirring performance from Kerala, Soppana Sangeetam. This is an Indian classical music sung by the side of the steps leading to the sanctum sanctorum of a shrine. It is usually sung with an ethnic drum called edekka. Sit back and enjoy this song in praise of goddess Bhadrakali.
ചെമ്പട്ടൂടുത്തുകെട്ടി ചിത്രച്ചീലമ്പണിഞ്ഞ് ചന്തമോടെന്നുടയ ചാരവേ വന്നിടേണം. ചെമ്പട്ടൂടുത്തുകെട്ടി ചിത്രച്ചീലമ്പണിഞ്ഞ് ചന്തമോടെന്നുടയ ചാരവേ വന്നിടേണം. ചഞ്ചല മാനസത്തിൽ ചിന്തകൾ വളർത്താതെ ചിത്തേ നീ വന്നണയൂ. ചന്ദ്രസമാനമുഖി ചഞ്ചല മാനസത്തിൽ ചിത്തേ നീ വന്നണയൂ ചന്ദ്രസമാനമുഖി. സിന്ദൂരമണിഞ്ഞെത്തി രൗദ്രമാം ഭാവമോടെ സന്ധ്യതൻ പ്രഭയുള്ള സാധികേ സർവേശ്വരി. സിന്ദൂരമണിഞ്ഞെത്തി രൗദ്രമാം ഭാവമോടെ സന്ധ്യതൻ പ്രഭയുള്ള സാധികേ സർവേശ്വരി. സൽകുലനാഥേ ഭദ്രേ രുദ്രസുതയാം ദേവി സാദരം ചൊല്ലിയിടുന്നേൻ സൽചരിതങ്ങളെല്ലാം. സൽകുലനാഥേ ഭദ്രേ രുദ്രസുതയാം ദേവി സാദരം ചൊല്ലിയിടുന്നേൻ സൽചരിതങ്ങളെല്ലാം. പതിയെ നീയുറഞ്ഞാടി പോരിൻ്റെ ഭാവമാർന്നു പള്ളിവാൾക്കരത്തിലും പൂമാല കഴുത്തിലും. പതിയെ നീയുറഞ്ഞാടി പോരിൻ്റെ ഭാവമാർന്നു പള്ളിവാൾക്കരത്തിലും പൂമാല കഴുത്തിലും. പട്ടുഞോറിഞ്ഞുടുത്തു പാട്ടുപൂരക്കൽ വാഴും പാർവണവദനേ നീ പാരിടത്തിൻ്റെ മൂർത്തി. പട്ടുഞോറിഞ്ഞുടുത്തു പാട്ടുപൂരക്കൽ വാഴും പാർവണവദനേ നീ പാരിടത്തിൻ്റെ മൂർത്തി. ദേവി അമ്മേ ശരണം ശരണം.